Hey, how's it going? It's Rob from Upstart Epoxy. What I want to do is show you what comes in the box when it winds up at your door for your first or second or third or 10th or 50th deep pour. Right here, we've got a 3-gallon kit of Upstart Epoxy Deep Pour. It's a 2-part epoxy. Take a look at what comes inside of this box. Inside of this box, you get the 2-part deep pour process. You've got your part A over here, and you've got your part B over here, clearly labeled 2-to-1 ratio when you mix these up and get it done. Also inside the box is this awesome bag. It's got some really killer stuff in it it's stuff that I know I always forget to buy when I'm going to do a deep pour or even any type of epoxy pour. A nice plastic scraper. Even if you don't use this on it, throw it to the side, keep it, because it's gonna come in handy to scrape down all the top surfaces of those pieces that you're making to ensure that you get through all those small little cracks in your piece. Also, we've got the foam brush. This foam brush allows you to do a seal coat on a deep pour project. If you're going 2 inches deep, you want to do a seal coat on top of it to make sure the air bubbles don't release from any porous surfaces. That's what this helps with. It's awesome because then you don't have to worry about buying it or buying a whole bunch or running out, because every time you buy an Upstart epoxy kit, this is going to come with it. You've got 2 stir sticks that work perfect if you're going and testing colors. You don't have to worry about that. You just go ahead, test your colors, get your mica powder in there, mix it up, get that perfect look with these stir sticks. In addition, you've got the QR code. Scan the QR code to get step-by-step instructions on how to pour your Upstart Epoxy deep pour piece. Go ahead, scan the QR code. You'll get step-by-step tutorial on how to get it done. When you're done with your project, or even in the middle of your project, go ahead, record yourself doing that work, finishing it, send some pictures to our social media accounts. We absolutely love hearing from customers that are making killer pieces, showing us your finished products. We love sharing them out and giving you some props through the process. Also, if you wanna contact us, give us a rating, give us a heads up, ask us questions, contact us via email, reach out to us. We'll get back to you. We'll communicate with you, answer any of your questions. And awesome, we love hearing from you. Don't forget, email us.